Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to fix Omegle error in connecting to server. To start, open and locate your mobile browser in your mobile phone, and then type in omegle.com. After searching for Omegle, you can click on omegle.com. And then, in this example, I'll show you that my Omegle site cannot be reached. Well, I'll show you how to fix it. To start, open and locate your Super VPN or the VPN that you're using. In this case, I'm using Super VPN. Once in your VPN, connect your VPN to the server. Alright, wait for it to connect. Waiting, and there you go, we're already connected on VPN. If the VPN disconnects, just go back and reconnect again. Alright, we're connected. And now we can go back to the mobile browser and open Omegle. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.